Morning everyone, this is my old cell. I first ito generator way back 2006, and I'm making this video to show how my weight cell ito generator works, how much it's producing, and it is driven by a 264 amperes power supply, DC power supply. And the reason why I am rebuilding this one, because I buy this surplus DC power supply recently to from a surplus store. This is a 264 amps, and it is adjustable. If you try to look at my old Stanley Meyer design dressing, so I would like to show everyone how much each gas produce. See that one, and the power supply is working. And let's take a look at the production. That is the production of this cell working. By the way, this is my first HHO generator way back 2006, and as you notice, it has my second cell is this one, that blue one there. So I'd like to show everyone how this 264 power DC power supply works, and my old cell, and the production. It can even light a cell, a torch, excuse me. And one of the reasons of building this one is to show my very good friend Vox my building of how my work here of building my 101 plates. This is my 2 end plates, which is provided by me, by a good friend of mine, Vox. See the 2 brass barb, and that 2 end plate here is from Metro Manila, and this is my gasket for the 101 plate. See, this is my washers, stainless washers, stainless nuts, and this rod will be threaded both ends. And this is my 101 plates here, already cut, 2 end plates. This one 6 by 7 plates, and this is my toroidal transformer for the pulse width modulator of this thing. This is I'm planning to build this one as a reservoir, and this is my see-through bubbler soon to come. This is my stainless steel reservoir, and it is coupled with a stainless steel bubbler with a flashback relief on the top. This is my power inverter used to power this cell, and this one here I have my 3/8 pipe, brass pipe. I am going to make this one an APG transformer, just like Stanley Meyer's electrical particle generator, soon to come. So I would like to inform Mr. Robert Moore that I am starting to build this APG system, because we are planning to build one. So this part here, I am going to wind the primary coil, and on around this part and to this part will be the secondary. This is the thing that we used to put some gas inside. So looking forward to that. Good day.